அந்த ஒர்க் ஷீட் எடுத்து கொடுங்க. ஓகே ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் நிமலன், கமான்மா.
Dog listen, dog can.
Yeah, good morning, Tilakar.
Dog listen, dog can. Dog puppies. Dogs
First,
baby,
young
puppies.
ones. Young ones, only the young ones. யங் ஒன்ஸ் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்கம்மா நிமலன். டாக், பப்பி, பிக், பிக்லெட் அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லுங்க.
Piglet.
Pig lives in piglet.
Hen cook. Hen. Horse lives in. Horse baby. Horse baby is. Boy. How lives in.
Good morning, Riyasri. Yes, good morning, ma.
Baby is kankutti.
கண்ணுக்குட்டியா? அத மாதிரி சொல்லி தரவே இல்லையா நானு. Calf. Okay, now see. All of you children, first tell me only the young ones. I don't want the homes of animals. Only young ones you say. Okay. Next is Shravanya. Shravanya.
Yes.
Come on, say the young ones of farm animals. Lion is a farm animal. D56 CT எடுங்க. What were you doing, Shravanya? இவ்வளவு நேரமா சொல்லிட்டு தானே இருந்தேம்மா.
No, ma'am.
Okay, take your time. I'll finish with Ilango and come back. Come on, Ilango.
Ma'am? Yes.
Got it? Say.
Dog. Puppy. Pig. Piglet. Sheep.
Hen, chick. Next.
Hen, chick.
Horse.
Horse. Horse.
Coal.
Coal.
Cow.
Cow. Cow.
Very good. Thank you, ma Shravanya. Ilango. Yes, Ilango.
இப்போ சொல்லு மேம், சத்தமா சொல்லு. சத்தமா சொல்லி நீ சொல்ல ஆரம்பியும் இல்ல. டாக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்ல ஆரம்பியும்.
Dog.
சத்தமா லவுடர்.
Dog.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் ப்ளீஸ் சொல்லிடு. சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் டவுட் கேட்கும். ஒரு நிமிஷம் இரு. டாக்
பிக்குக்கு எதுக்கு மண்ணுல இருக்காங்க பிக்குக்கு?
Because it likes soil only.
ஏன் மேம் சொல்றாங்க அப்படிதான் இருக்கு.
அப்படிதான், அதுக்கு சாயில் தான் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஓகே, come on, say what is the young one of a dog?
சத்தமா சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட. டாக் saying one சொல்லு.
Dog puppy ma'am.
Next, pig.
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 Pig saying one என்னப்பா?
Pig saying one is
சொல்லு.
Piglet.
Piglet.
Piglet. Next, hen.
Hen. சொல்லு இல்லங்கோ. சொல்லு என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
சொல்லு. அதோட நீ சொல்லுங்க, நான் சொல்லுவேன்.
சரி சொல்லு. நான் சொல்லுவேன். ஓகே மேம், பாக்குறேன்.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வாய் விடுமா.
Okay, you say.
Okay.
Hen.
Hen baby. Then baby is baby chick.
Chick. Okay, good. Horse.
Horse.
Horse young one is
Horse English foal.
Good. Cow.
Foal. Horse. Horse.
okay. Next cow.
Cow. Cow anyone is cow.
Calf.
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 Calf. சொல்லு ஒரு தடவை சொல்லு calf.
Calf.
Very good. Thank you, ma. Okay, next is Tilakar. Farm animals and its young ones.
Dog. Puppy.
Hmm.
Chicken.
Horse. Foal. Cow. What is the young one of a cow? கவோட எங்கோன்னு என்னதுமா? காஃப். முதல்ல உட்காருங்க. சிட் டவுன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். சிட் டவுன். கவ் காஃப். உட்காருங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட். சிட் டவுன். நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் ஆத்யா சர்மா. டாக் யங் ஒன். Young one of a dog. क्या हुआ? What happened, Adya?
Just now she was telling them.
Ayyo. Okay, one more time for ma'am. I didn't hear. No, you didn't unmute yourself. How can I hear? Come on. Okay, wild animals. Wild animals?
Wait, just 2 minutes now.
Yeah, fine, no problem. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Yeah, come on. Farm animals and its young ones.
Dog. Puppy. Chicken. Chicken.
Very good. Next is Nitish. Nitish. Yeah, good morning. Farm animals and its young ones.
Farm animals.
Dog.
சொல்லுங்க.
Puppy.
Piglet.
Chicken.
Foal. Foal.
Young one is
Cat.
Very good. Thank you, Manitish. Riyasri. Riyasri. Dog. Pig. Hen.
Chicken.
Horse.
Horse.
Cow. Calf. Very good, Riyasri. Thank you so much, Srinija.
Yes, ma'am.
Srinija. Come on.
Dog, puppy, pig, piglet, and chick. Horse, foal, cow, calf.
Very good. Thank you so much, Srinija. Next is Pranavi and Pravina.
சொல்லு.
dog.
Dog, puppy, cow, calf.
எல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடு சாபரி. நல்லா இப்படிதான் சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும். Hmm?
Sorry, ma'am.
Hmm.
Calf. Horse.
Pig. Hmm. Horse or young one? Foal. Ah.
Foal.
Pig. Pig.
Piglet.
Very good. Hen.
Hen.
Hmm.
Cook. Hen.
Hen அடுத்து young one என்னது?
Chick.
Chick. Very good. Pravina. Who said Pravina? Va Pranavi. First one. Hmm. Dog.
Dog puppy.
Ah. Next. Pig.
Pig. Piglet.
Piglet. Next. Hen.
Piglet.
Hen.
Hen.
Hmm. Very good. Next. Horse.
Horse.
Hmm.
Calf.
Horse calf. Ah. Foal.
Foal.
Cow.
Cow.
Hmm. Calf.
Calf.
Okay. Now all of you take your worksheet number D66 CT. Okay, keep it ready. Afterwards, I'll ask you. Before that, we'll finish off with our Kidzi anthem. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes.
I'm D56.
D66 CT. Frog,
Okay.
that life cycle of a frog worksheet. Keep it ready. I'll ask them. We'll finish Kidzi anthem first. Okay? Come on, stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Nimalan Kidzi anthem. Nimalan.
Kidzi anthem, you are with me. You are in Sanai. You are unique. My potential inside. You are devil. Uniqueness. You define me. My potential inside. You did to hold my mind. My potential inside.
Very good. Thank you so much, Nimalan. Good morning, everyone. Get ready for the warm-up activity, all of you. Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, worksheet number,
Very
ma'am.
good morning. D66 CT.
Okay.
Get ready for the warm-up activity, children.
Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo! Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like kangaroo. Stop. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 like a crocodile. Snap, 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 like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop.
Yes, very good, children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back for the attendance. It's first Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Adya Sharma. Very good. Ilango. Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra. Nakshatra is absent. Okay. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Kevin. Absent. Riyasri. Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Sara is absent. Pranavi. Pranavi. Pravina. Very good, Pravina. Okay. Next is Srinija.
Here I am, Belina, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Nakshatra.
சொல்லு
Here I am. Very good, ma Nakshatra. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari. Kadambari. Shravanya. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Here I am, Belina, ma'am.
Very good. Nimalan.
Here I am, Belina, ma'am.
Very good. Adarsh.
Here I am.
Very good, Adarsh. Yes, thank you, children. All of you take your D66 CT worksheet. You have the life cycle of a frog. Yes. What is the first stage?
Ma'am.
What is the first stage?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Tadpole. Chocolate.
Page number D66, sweetie. Yeah. First stage is the egg. All of you touch the egg. Egg. Yes, all of you touch the eggs first. And next is the tadpole. How does a tadpole look? It looks like a fish, right? Tadpole. Next is the tadpole. Yeah.
Tadpole.
Yeah. Next is the tadpole. See, first is the egg. First is the egg. Can you see the eggs here? Okay, next is the tadpole. Third step is the froglet.
Froglet.
Froglet. It has a tail. You can see the tail in the froglet. But adult frog, you cannot see the tail. Okay. The tail disappears. Okay. I want all of you to mute yourself. 1 minute, children. Let me finish. Mute yourself, everyone. Let me finish first. Okay. First of all, frog is an amphibian. Why we call frog as an amphibian? Because it lives both in land and water. Okay, so when the frog lays eggs, it will be in the water only. Okay, and then slowly it becomes a tadpole. First it becomes a tadpole, like a fish. It looks like a fish. Okay, next it becomes a small froglet. Small froglet. This froglet has a tail. You can see the tail in this froglet. Yes, after some days, this tail will disappear and it will become an adult frog. After becoming an adult frog, it comes out of the water and starts eating the insects. Okay, தண்ணியில இருக்கும்போது it will eat all those algae and water plants inside the water. But after coming out, it starts eating the insects. Okay, so this is the life cycle of a frog. First step is the eggs. Next is tadpole. Next is froglet. And the final one, adult frog. Yes, last step is the adult frog. And frog is an amphibian. Why? Because it lives both in land and water. Okay, next we are going to learn a new concept. And all of you look at the screen. Next we are going to learn a new concept, that is reptiles. Today we are going to learn about reptiles. Yesterday we learnt about amphibian. An amphibian, frog is an amphibian. Okay. Yeah, frog is an amphibian. Today we are going to learn reptiles. What do you mean by reptiles? Reptiles na ennadu? Reptiles have 4 legs. But no, reptiles, frog is not a reptile. Yes, very good. Reptiles, what they will do? They will crawl on the ground. They will not walk like normal animals. Like how you see a cow, horse, you can see a lion, tiger, they will walk with their 4 legs. But reptiles, they will not walk, they will crawl. Because their legs will be very short. Okay, chinna legs are irukanaala they will crawl. Have you seen small babies, how they used to crawl on the ground before walking? Like that, reptiles also crawl on the ground. So that only we call it as a reptile. And let's see what are the reptiles. First is crocodile. Yeah, crocodile crawls on the ground. So only it is called a reptile. And next is the tortoise. And next is lizard. Have you all seen lizard? Yes or no? It will be in our houses also, right? Lizard. Lizard also crawls on the wall and ground. Okay. And then snake. Snake does not have legs, even though it crawls on the floor. So only it is called a reptile. Okay. And finally we have chameleon. What is it? Chameleon. Why do we call this as chameleon? What is the special feature? Chameleon பத்தி என்ன புதுசா இருக்குன்னா, wherever it goes, it changes its color to the environment. For example, if it goes near a leaf, it changes the color into the leaf color, green color மாறிடும். If it is on the branch, okay, if it is on the branch means it will change the color to the branch color, brown color. Okay, like that it changes the color according to the environment. So that is the special feature of a chameleon. Chameleon is also like a lizard, but a special feature is அது வந்து கலர் மாத்திக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். எங்கெல்லாம் போகுதோ அதுக்கேத்த மாதிரி கலரை மாத்திக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். Okay, that is the special feature of a chameleon. Okay, so this is chameleon, snake, lizard, tortoise, crocodile. See nicely. Well, you have to watch the pictures, children. Then worksheet you yourself only going to do. Okay, so what are the reptiles? One more time, Adya Sharma. Listen: crocodile, tortoise, lizard, snake, chameleon. So all these are reptiles. Okay, next take your worksheet, children. I am not going to do the worksheet. You yourself are going to do the worksheet. And the worksheet number is D68CT. D68CT. Here you are going to circle all the reptiles. Before that, write today's date, children. Today's date is 5-10-2121. The day is Tuesday and the month is October.
Ma'am, page number?
D68CT. Here you are going to circle all the reptiles what you saw in the PPT now. Okay. What are all the pictures you saw in the PPT? Recall it and circle. Parents, please don't teach them. Let them recall what they saw in the PPT just now and then let them circle. If they have seen a crocodile, circle. If you have seen a tortoise, circle. If you have seen a snake, circle. If you have seen a seahorse, you can circle. If you have seen a fish, you can circle. Or else if you have seen a rabbit also, you can circle. And then lizard also, if you have seen, you can circle. What are the reptiles you have seen in the PPT? Have to circle them. Finish. Circle the reptiles. Yes, very good, Madhuvanti. What are all the reptiles you circled, Madhuvanti?
Crocodile, tortoise,
Okay, crocodile, tortoise, அப்புறம்
snake,
snake, அப்புறம் next one, lizard.
lizard,
These four are the reptiles. Seahorse is a marine animal, you should not circle. Fish is also a marine animal, you should not circle. Rabbit is a farm or pet animal, you should not circle. Okay?
finish, ma'am.
Finished? Okay. Next, D69CT, children. You will have the shadows of some reptiles. First is crocodile. Find where is the crocodile shadow.
பண்ணியாச்சு.
Next, tortoise. Find where is the tortoise shadow.
Number, ma'am?
D69CT.
சும்மா ஏமாத்தி பண்ணல மேம்.
அது மேல போடாத அசிங்கமா இருக்கு.
Next is chameleon. Match the chameleon shadow. Lizard. Match the lizard shadow. And then you have the snake. Match the shadow of the snake.
Maushita finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Mokshita. Everyone has finished?
Finish, please.
Very good, Marius.
Crocodile,
It's finished.
Finish, ma'am.
It's finished.
Ma'am.
Yes, children, I'll share you an assessment Google form. You have to finish it, okay? Ma'am will read out the questions.
அன்மியூட் பண்ணு mute பண்ணு.
Yes, open the Google form. Is the Google form opening for everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I will not get, ma'am. Send once again.
One more time.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we got disconnected, ma'am. Sorry. Srinija's
Yeah,
mother.
the Google form has been sent. You can open it. You want me to send one more time?
No, it is there, ma'am.
Is there?
Yeah.
Can everyone open it? If anyone is not able to open it, please let me know. I'll send it to you after the session.
Srinija,
Okay.
what is a farm animal?
Wait.
Wait, let me mute it. They have to take this test, ma'am.
Children, please wait. Ma'am is facing network issue because of the power cut. She'll be back within 5 minutes.
Hello. Hello. Wave your hand. Come on. Hello. Hello. You all are searching for your ma'am. She'll join in some time. Till then, I'll be here, children. So, ma'am have completed marine animals. No, shall we have the recap of it?
Yes.
Yes, we will have. Okay, everybody can answer me while ma'am is showing the picture of it. Okay, dears?
The ma'am kadiyar.
Ma'am or a friend. Okay, so what is this? You know, children? It's a clam. Clam. Repeat after me, dear. This is also a marine animal. This clam will also live underwater. Okay, dear? What is it? Clam. Repeat after me.
Clam.
It's a clam. Very good. What is this? You all know, right? What is it?
Crab. That's a crab.
It's a crab. Very nice. Super.
Crab.
What is this?
Dolphin.
It's a dolphin. Super. It's a dolphin. Do you know what is this?
Fish.
Yes, it is also a fish type, but look at it. It has a feather. It is a flying fish. It can fly in so long in the water.
Yeah, thank you, Rashida ma'am.
It's a flying fish.
Yes, Rashida ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, join?
Yeah.
Okay. So your ma'am have joined. Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Come on, bye, Rashida ma'am. Okay, children, have you all finished your Google form? Yes?
Finish, ma'am.
Finished? How many marks did you get, all of you? Have you all finished all the 15 questions? Yes, only Pravina, Pranavi, Ilango, Nimalan, Tilakar has finished. Others? Mokshita, others?
I got 40, ma'am.
Yes. Pranavi and Pravina also got 14 marks. Others, did you all submit, children?
Ma'am, Adesh is writing, ma'am.
Others is doing now only?
Doing it.
Okay, do it slowly. Which question are you in?
8.
8. Let me read out the question. Riya Sri finished. Very good. Okay, so now answer for the question. Which is the farm animal here? Zebra, horse or tiger? Which is the farm animal? Which is the farm animal? Horse. Very good. Okay, next question. Second one. Which is the marine animal? Yeah, very good. Which is the marine animal here? You have a crow. Squid. Okay, very good. Now the third question. Which is the engine of a lion here?
Lion.
Which is the engine of a lion? Cub. Very good. Option number 1. Cub. Very good. Okay, next question. Which is the engine of a kangaroo here?
Kangaroo saying what? Doggy.
Engine of a kangaroo here?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo engine என்னதுங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க kitten is there, a chick is here, and Joey is here. Joey, very good, Mom Mokshita. Good. Which of these belong to alphabet Q? You have a bag here, quail and a peacock. Yes, what is the right answer? Quail. Very good. Quail is the correct answer. Good. Which of these belong to the alphabet S? Alphabet S. A tumbler, orange and a spoon. What is the right answer? Spoon. Because spoon only starts with the phonic sound. Okay, very good. Spoon. Okay, next is, which of these is the seahorse here?
Serious.
Which is the seahorse?
Yes, mommy.
Seahorse, can you name the seahorse? First ordinary horse you have. Seahorse is the marine animal, right? So it lives in water. That is seahorse. Option number 2. Next is, which of these is the lobster? Which of these is the lobster? You have a starfish, have a squid, and then lobster. Lobster has two tentacles like this. Lobster, option number 3. Very good. And then, which is the house of a dog? Which is the house of a dog, children? The house of a dog. Yes?
Dog kennel.
Dog. Kennel. Very good. Dog. Kennel. Good. Okay, next question. Where do this animal live? Where do this tiger live? We have 3 pictures. One is the farm. Next is the very good, Nimalan. Forest. Well done. Forest. Okay. Next question. Hen gives us. What does a hen give us? It gives us or egg. What does a hen give us? Hen gives us eggs. Very good. Hen gives us eggs. Good. Next one. Cow gives us. What does a cow give us? Cow gives us milk. Good. Very good, Nimalan. Nimalan and Adya Sharma. Good. Next question. Which is the young one of a horse here? Which is the young one of a horse here? First one, second one, or third one?
Maybe by also young one or two.
Which is the horse young one? Last one, foal. Here you have. This is the young one of the horse. Okay. And next is, which of these belong to alphabet U? Which did you match, children? Which one? Umbrella, gorilla, or tap? Umbrella. Very good. Umbrella. Next is, which? Very good, Adarsh. Which one of these belong to alphabet T? T for? T for? Which one? Tomato. Very good. Very good. Well done, children. Very good. Superb. Okay, whose talk time is today? Whose talk time is today? Yeah, Nimalan, and next 2 children, right?
Riyashri, ma'am.
Yes, Tina.
Yeah, Nimalan and Riyasri. First, Nimalan, come on, ma. Finish your talk time.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I am going to talk about animals and homes. Monkey lives in tree. Honeybee lives in honeycomb. Bird lives in nest. Owl lives in cow shed. Spider lives in spider web. Ant lives in ant hill. Fox lives in burrow. Cow lives in cow shed. Rat lives in bunda. Hole. Snake lives in nest. Fish lives in pond. Rabbit lives in burrow. Sheep lives in fold. Hen lives in hen coop. House lives in house table. Dog lives in house. Cat lives in cat. Cat lives in cat. Dog lives in dog. Cat lives in cat. 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 Cat li Bear lives in Kogai Cave. Dog lives in Dog Kennel. Squirrel lives in Gray. Pig lives in Pigsty. Dog lives in Dog lives in Dog Kennel. Dog's baby is puppy. Dog protect our house from danger. Love, care, and affection. Dog favorite food is dog. Dog help police to find the thief. Hen lives in hen coop. Hen's baby is sick. It lays eggs and hatches. It wakes up early morning. Cocoriko, cocoriko. It cannot fly very high. Love to eat egg and chicken. Elephant lives in the forest. Elephant baby is calf. 4 years old. 4 legs like pillar. 2 eyes like fan. Good immunity. Elephant cat. Good memory power. It lives in the world. It's group. Elephant lives in group. Cat and bird, sugar cane. Dog kills the person. Dog kills the person. Trunk. Giraffe lives in forest. Giraffe baby is calf. Tallest animals, long neck and long legs. Tongue and black colored. These are herbivores animals. Thank you, ma'am.
Appa, so much you have learned. Very good, Limalan. Well done. Okay. Next is Riya Sri. Riya Sri.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, welcome, Manimalan.
Today I am talking about Today I am talking about My baby needs Tommy.
Is name
My baby needs Tommy.
His name is Tommy.
My baby needs Tommy.
Come on. He is a dog.
Get up.
Come on. He is 2 years old.
It's a great dog.
He is white in grey color. No. No. He is white in grey color.
It's white and grey color.
His favorite food is
Favorite food is
bread and milk
It's milk
and pedigree.
and pedicure.
Come on.
And pedicure.
He loves our family member. He loves our
I also wear
family member.
family members.
He also
Play with my Tommy. I also play with my Tommy.
Thank you.
Very good, Riyasri. Thank you so much. Very good. Children, today we are going to, so far we have learned 2-letter words, right? All those 2-letter words we have learned. Today we'll have a small recap of all those 2-letter words and a new word also we are going to learn today. Yes, ready all of you? Come on, look at the screen, everyone. Is all of you look at the screen? Yes, first is A-N. What is A-N? A-N? What is A-N? Yeah. Yeah. A-N. An. A-N. An. Very good. Next is A-T. At. At. Very good, Tilakar. At. At. Very good. Next is A-M. What is A-M? What is A-M? Very good. Okay. Next is A-S. What is A-S? What is A-S? As. Very good. A-S. As. Good. And then what is I-S? I-S. I-S. Is. Very good, Mokshita. I-S is E. Is. Okay. Next one. I-N. What is I-N? I-N. What is I-N? Very good. I-N. In. Very good. Next. I-T. What is I-T? What is I-T? I-T? It. Very good. I-T. It. Very good, Nimalan. Next is I-F. What is I-F? I-F. If. Very good, Nimalan. I-F. If. Okay. Shavanya, why don't you answer, Shavanya? And then O-N. What is O-N? O-N. O-N. On. Very good, Tilakar. On. On. Okay. Next is O-F. What is O-F? O-F. Off. 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 Okay. Today we are going to learn a new word that is a three-letter word. Okay. So that word is T-H-E. The. Okay. The word is T-H-E. The. Repeat after ma'am, children. T-H-E. The. Okay. T-H-E. The. Shavanya, repeat after ma'am. T-H-E. The. Shavanya. T-H-E. The. Okay. E. The. Ilango. T-H-E. What is T-H-E? T-H-E. The. Okay. Tilakar, what is T-H-E? T-H-E. The. Srinija, what is T-H-E? T-H-E. The. Okay. Riyasri, what is T-H-E? The. Okay. Next, Madhuvanti, what is T-H-E? T-H-E. The. Okay. Now take your symphonics book, children. Symphonics book, page number is 23. Page number 23. Circle all the word. Word the. Now you have learned to know T-H-E, the. That word you have to circle in your symphonics book. Page number 23. The. Whenever you are circling the word, you should say the. T-H-E, the. நம்ம spell பண்ணு. Parents look into that whether they are spelling it out. T-H-E, the. Page number 23, symphonics book. Spell it, children. T-H-E, the. Whenever you are circling, spell it. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. அந்த மாதிரி spell பண்ணி circle பண்ணுங்க. The. Yes, come on, others. Circle the word T-H-E, the. Nimalan, sit properly and do your activity. Mokshita, did you take the page mark? Page number 23, symphonics book.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, circle Kana. T-H-E, the circle பண்ணுங்க. Nakshatra, what word you are circling? T-H-E, the. Very good, Nakshatra. Adya Sharma, what are you circling?
क्या क्या सर्कल किया आपने? टी
T
एच
H
हाँ
U
हाँ
T-H-E,
H U
हाँ
the.
the
Very good, Adya. Next, Ilango, what are you circling? What word are you circling?
E H E the
Very good, Ilango. Next is Shravanya, what word are you circling? T-H-E, the. Very good. Tilakar, what word are you circling? What word? T-H-E,
T-H-E.
T T
E,
T
the. The. Srinija, what word are you circling?
T H E the
Very good, Ma Srinija. Nimalan, what word are you circling?
என்ன word circle பண்ற சொல்லு.
T H E
The. Madhuvanti,
சொல்லுங்க.
the
very good, Madhuvanti. Nitish,
Yes, ma'am.
என்னம்மா சர்க்கிள் பண்றீங்க? T-H-E,
T H E D I
the.
The.
T-H-E, the. Yes, very good. Thank you, Manimal. Thank you, Manitish. Mokshita, what word you are circling?
T H E the
Very good. Super.
Thank you,
Finished
ma'am.
circling? Yes. Did anyone finish? Very easy to circle. Why it is taking lot of time?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, one by one you can see the. Like this itself it is coming. See. Instead of running through the sentences, you can see like this itself. The. And here only you have only one, two spaces. Finished? Finished circling, children? Very good, Riyasri.
T H E the
Very good, Riyasri. Finished, huh?
Finish.
Good. Then who else finished? It's very good, ma. Madhuvanti, good. Riyasri gets an ice cream. Madhuvanti also finished. She gets an ice cream. Yes, welcome. Madhuvanti also gets an ice cream. Next, who has finished?
Srinija finished, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Ice cream for you. Welcome. Adya, finish.
Ma'am, Shavanya finished.
Very good. Shavanya gets an ice cream. Yes. And next, Ilango also finished. Ilango also gets an ice cream, Ilango.
This way.
Ice cream for Ilango. Next, Adya finish.
She did. She's searching in other pages.
Okay, fine. Then ice cream definitely for Adya. Adya, इधर देखो. Ice cream नहीं चाहिए? हाँ?
She will write. She want to write.
Okay, right. When you feel to write, definitely write. Next, well, Rakshatra finish. Very good. Nimalan gets an ice cream.
Ice cream, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You get an ice cream. Very good. Nakshatra also gets an ice cream. And then who else?